Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all the emails that it is sent by the same sender in Gmail. So why it is like needed, because sometimes you have spam emails and you want to just clean up your inbox for the Gmail. So actually we need to do, which is installing or just deleting all the emails by that sender. Before I will show you how, guys, just please subscribe to the channel to keep up the content. So I will open Gmail. Then let's say I will just choose the Google account one, the Google email. Then just right click it and then find the email from Google. So, and here all the emails that is sent via Google. Here you will see, you will just check the most recent, and then you will check this one, and then guys just press delete. That's it, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.